all of them.
Ethic, Sister Petra.
True man, I step up, no.
You can't take your time and hold me hand. Hold me hand now.
Let me hold your hand,
What do you mean? Hold me hand, man. I in a bush with him. Hold me hand. You go along so.
Listen, man, I don't want nobody to pass and come see you hold on for me like that, you know.
So, stop go along like that, man. And they think them, me tell us, me no like with you, you know. Because look here, I know what you hear me and you when them my youth. Not just couple months ago,
So everything changed now.
So you not have to go along, so me say, for you there with this old man, you just say, treat me one way. I mean, I like they sitting there, no. I know you used to come fix me like that and do every little thing on me yard.
But as me I said, them thing they done. You understand?
Done what? It can't done.
Me and you
and
left.
Me have you picking my youth when they go along so
hold on there. So that means say your man fi just dead there, so.
So how you mean say my man fi just... Somebody talk about me, man, because you know say me no really want him, you know. You know say you me really want, you know. So Jeremiah,
but you have the chance. And you blow it.
See all your face look like y'all have...
Take your hand out of my face, no, man.
Jeremiah really treat me bad nowadays, you know. Touch me body, man. Touch me, man. Touch me now. You go along so.
Me in my church, you know.
You in a so what that have to do? You know see how much church people now want they do this in there. So
that are them. That are them. That's why I go married, because I go in a church to avoid the dirty life.
So you say when me and you did their dirty life,
I mean,
look on the nice
every day this bag of argument between the two of us.
Everybody have argument. So talk
yes, me not say no.
Eh? Everybody have, you know, to say, look for your
all
nice.
Tony all give me a goat with man and me there in a house and something.
Listen, me no like you say they sitting there. That's how when they pass, me not even know what went wrong with me. Look like say me head did chip. If forgive me for that, no, please me I beg you, man.
Me forgive you, yes, me forgive you. But we now have no future together. And me and my wife I move on from there. You understand?
So I beg you can't just left
no,
you know say, from me look on the woman, you see something really wrong. That girl is something wrong with the girl, you know, man.
Here was. As me tell you, say, if you continue this, my wife, me go turn back, you know. Me now fix the light, you know. Sure.
See the wire, you see?
Let's see, I bust the wire, boss. I bust the bus, you know.
Well, alright. It's a good thing. Say you put up it, because you know exactly where to find.
Let me nice.
You really can't give me one more chance, Jeremiah?
Listen me, that not in it yet. How you feel for understand? You understand what I say? You feel for understand it, you not listen, you know?
What you mean, so me not listen?
Me tell you, say it over between the two of we. It over. Where you can't understand in that.
What you mean, say if one
I
can't understand?
Me give you when you usually give me bun and thing, you know, me give you a whole heap of chance, you know.
You forgot say just what about a year ago you when you run back to me and tell me say you want me. So how you come and hype on me?
It's over now.
How you come and hype on me?
It's over now.
So now me want you. You understand me?
Well,
left the woman
you,
and
say,
they with me back.
Me married and it's over between the two of we.
You know
as simple as that.
You know say that same woman they make you not want to come look for your picnic.
Why you can't send the picnic at the yard?
You know, why me send him come at the yard? Make the old girl touch up my picnic?
Why me must come at your yard now where your man there and cause problem? Because you don't know say man no like me and thing already.
So that you don't normally come there when you not there. So yes, what the difference now?
Argument between the two of we.
So you can't come at the yard same way. Are you build the house, you know?
That no have nothing to do with it. That don't have anything to do with it. Me avoid the yard. You understand? Make the little girl come over my yard. No problem.
Me don't want my picnic here. Me just don't want.
You know my wife love the little picnic?
Who love what? I pretend the girl I pretend.
Pretend what?
You say girl are wicked. I pretend the girl I pretend.
Sure.
Let me tell you something. You don't know say last night the picnic a ball. The picnic they ball on the place they want him father to come sleep with her.
But if you avoid her from me, where you expect I sleep with her? She can't come over here. What do you mean after, as me tell you, I don't stop her from come at the yard. She can come at the yard at any time.
And them something I don't like with you, you know. And them something I don't like with you, you know. And them something I don't like with you, you know.
Listen to me.
Me say the little girl wants you. She want her father to come back and sleep with her.
You
at your place where you run left your house for your house.
Listen to
come help me take care of the place like first time.
Them days are done. You hear me I say now? Me fix the light so you have light at yard.
You sure it's a light there?
Light there.
So tell me something, you don't want back pay. You don't want me pay you back.
What kind of pay?
Oh, you mean what kind of pay? You don't know what kind of pay? The same pay what me always tell you say you can get anytime you want.
Listen me now, me do this to me youth. And if you make, if I did you alone there, I'm not no you today, no. Me no come fix no light for you. I'm youth, make me do
And you
this,
don't
you know.
mean that, you know. You don't mean
Oh.
that. You don't mean that, you know. Stand up, I could chat a little bit now. Cause a long time you don't
Me have work I go.
Me know say I got work. You know, see a long time we don't hold a good conversation. We in the bush and all of that. You know, see that? We in the bush.
Me have work I go.
Me know,
Yes,
but no,
please.
you know, say from the other day, I did really want to say something to you still, you know. Really want to say something to you. You understand what I say? Well, I really think about my life. I really know, say, I did treat you bad, you know. And I really see now, say, back then, I never did treat you good. So now, me big and I understand life. Make we give it another chance.
No other chance, you know. Listen, me late for work, so me will catch up with you. Later, yeah?
So you let me in the bush, so?
So no down
You
there
let
for
me
you
in the
live.
bush?
I down there so you live, you know. Later.
You say him can't pretend, you see. You think me no know say him want me? Him well and want my body. I since him there with that girl, him just a go on like say him don't want my body. Eh? I go him for go to, you know. Me have a plan. When him come from work this evening, me I go up there with my pitney. Because if he thinks he don't make because I about so-called wife, he old girl was dress up like a old man. Eh? In a old man clothes and all of that. Eh? She don't look good like me. Look how me dress and look hot and sexy and pretty. But saying don't want my body. And she cause it. And anytime I come from work, me I go up there. And then him I go see what will happen. Boy. I said that girl is wicked, that girl is wicked. Rihanna! Rihanna! Rihanna!
Yes, mommy.
Lord Jesus.
I want mommy.
The light, come back.
Yes, mommy. A daddy fix the light.
Yes, your wicked pooper fix the light. I'm glad you have on good clothes. I had to go up there to your stepmama. Because she know why your pooper come down here. Me and her when I go up there. I tell you the hell. My God. Me I'll get ready. Me I'll be there and get ready.
Alright,
I
mommy.
want done her when I go up there, you watch.
Alright,
Come
mommy.
on. Hurry up, girl, because I want to go up there and catch all your pooper up
Mommy,
there.
mommy said daddy nah come down and come look for you tonight.
No, you have to say pooper now come down and take the old witch one up there. That's why I want me case and go up there, go done her up there. And I want your pooper for the day. Make we hurry up.
Alright, mommy.
Lord have mercy, that girl there was wicked in a man. I wonder why take Jeremiah so long. Mr. Jeremiah, him not no sense in a man. I don't know him soft side, you know. Why make that the girl and take him in a one piece of idiot? She want light fix, she call Jeremiah. She want the place to weed up, she call Jeremiah. She want something to eat, she call Jeremiah. And yet still she live with her man around there. This is what me don't understand. And the girl is a wicked girl, you know. Because imagine Jeremiah having daughter with her. And I love the pitness so much. Why not send her around? Not just send around the child. The pitness just love his father and I don't know why she behaving like that. Eh? She ain't one for the pitney and then attach the man. About the pitney and everything. Why me I tell you some woman really not easy. After him have the goal and him thinks he had it stone. I pity him no know, so you know just clean up the goal and then you will see a real goal. Eh? You think it's a stone and take it that shit away. I know when somebody clean it off, she want it back. And where she come from, what she hear about? What is wrong with this girl? Why me I tell her so she's something else? Why? Jeremiah try me case and come go work. And why am I going late for? For that the girl, eh? Eh? Am I going late for she? I mean, I tell her life is something else. Trust me. All me have to tell Jeremiah, try have him head pan him body. Try have him head pan fit him body because him see what that the girl make out of. He better have sense.
When him come back, you know.
So how you just a come and full of hands? Or you just a come?
I don't know gully there the lighty bus, you know. I'm gonna fix it.
Okay, so tell me something. Me really have to ask you a question. As So you have to continue make she take you like a puppet. You a
No, me
puppet?
tell you, so this is the first and the last, honey.
First and the last, but listen to me. This is something that she constantly doing. You understand what me I say? The point is she live with her man around here. So that means say her man supposed to fix the lights. The man I use the light as well.
Yeah, me
The man
understand.
take up your run now. You're not supposed to every minute she call you run gone on the like you're idiots. You're not idiots. And even listen, if you are an idiot, now you have sense. You take care of your picnic, yeah? But you can't constantly doing things yard work like your yard boy. Your yard boy? Me not there with no yard boy. Me not there with no yard boy. She never did know the use of you when she did have you. So now me have you, you're not on no yard boy.
Same, so me tell her, honey.
You hear me say? You're God pitney. You're royal priesthood. You're holy nation. You're peculiar pitney. You understand me? You don't make people treat you less than you are. You hear what I'm saying?
Yes, son.
You make she don't make you late for work. Don't do them things there again. You hear me say?
Yeah, I will be here now, because I'm already late already.
Look at your face. Look how you did happy this man and look how you look. Every minute you go around this girl, you look depressed.
Then me already.
Alright. Why am I sorry for you? I'm not telling no lie. Yeah, wait for go. Wait there. I want to put on this. I don't left a thing. I have everything in my bag, girl. I put on some makeup on my face. Can hold this to look good. What happened? What's your problem?
Mommy, I must have to put on lipstick.
Me they put on everything.
To look at mommy.
Because guess what? Your papa wife holy, so me they show your pa. Say me look good and look better than she. The thing is you want your mama holy?
No, mommy.
So I left me alone, make me act up myself.
Mommy, you're not even rub up your face.
You not put on anything good? That's so good. I don't have to put on a heavy, you know, because I'm a pretty girl.
Want the foundation?
I don't have to put on a foundation. You chat too much, girl. Give me this. I don't want to, this is the main thing when I don't want to forget. Your papa thing say, I come back to you. Look at sad mistake. All this. Every cent your papa have in your figure. I come to kill them around them. I'm not sorry for them. No tell nobody say me rub nothing for you when you really go up there, you know. You hear me say?
Yes, mommy. So, mommy, so what daddy goes say?
He can't, what?
It's like a rub.
He don't know what me put for. Shut your mouth, you hear me say enough is say nothing, girl. Me don't want nobody know say me rub up nothing for you when we go up there. Because your papa give me every cent. Me come kill him and girl long there. That me they tell you. Me come kill them. And your papa since as him decide say you know want to come back to the two away. This me have pain. With the glass there. Oh, me look.
Put on back the glass up, mommy.
Me look good?
Yes, mommy.
Make sure.
Look good.
Me I tell you. What? Lord God. I wonder what Jeremiah do so long. Jeremiah!
Yeah.
Hurry up, my man. You don't late for work, man. You see you already late. Hurry up, man.
Tired, you know.
I know, baby.
But I can't stay, you know.
Alright. Love you.
I run down and come back.
Alright.
About 9 o'clock I come back finally.
So later you go and stay?
Yeah, man.
Because you have, why you don't do some overtime like when you're already late?
Yeah.
Alright, take it easy. I know about that stress out yourself about nothing, yeah?
Yeah, man. Alright, later.
Yeah, man. Love you.
Yeah.
Alright. Boy, may I tell you. And my husband is a nice little man, you know. He's so humble. Boy, may I tell you. Such things set up still. And if the girl don't just humble herself, and make me and her live good for the kids' sake, you understand what I say? The little girl just love when she come over and then something and she just stop her so. I don't know why them not try to live good with it when woman turn wife after them there with the man. Them just create all kind of problem. Why me I tell you? Who that? Jeremiah!
Mommy, I wait in back where the drop for me.
Shut your mouth, girl. You know me say nothing, say nothing. You know me. I'm sitting for make your papa come back to me. I'm sitting for make your papa mind it 2 hours. I hear me say nothing, your mouth and say nothing more about it.
Yes,
shut your mouth and don't. I put my box in your face. Jeremiah! I call the papa and tell you they come ask me what we in a back. Cover your face. You see a favor him? Man, lick off you. Who call Jeremiah? Oh, are you? Me never call you, no girl. Why you come out here for? Why you come out here for? And me pick the papa, me come call you. Why you come out here for? You see how ugly? Who you call ugly girl? Me ain't no argument with you today. You hear me say? Me ain't no argument with you. Listen to me. Me come up here hot for you. Me come for me pick the papa who want mining picnic. Because are you in care mining picnic? Where you come up here for? Where you not going back and you have the argument now, man? You think me afraid for you? You think me afraid for you? Anytime me want me come at this yard here, you can't tap me from come here. You can't tap me from come here because me first see. And me first know. And that you fi know, girl. Jeremiah gonna work, you know. So you come up here in vain. Because all you do every minute is come up here in an argument. You come up here in vain. So go on back down to your yard. Come tell me about in Ghana work. Tell me about in Ghana working nothing more than in the house and you don't want to come out to me. But you see, if you not come out there to me today, you don't go see something. You don't go see who me really be. All along me they go along cute with you know, and you know say, me have everything they boil up in me. You talk about fights? Look how you behaving for a big old woman. My God, be respectful man. You have the little girl there and look how you behaving. You behaving so bad. That's not the way to grow a child. Behave like you're a decent woman, my girl. You see the time me there they argue with your girl. You know what? Since I know I come out here, a family court, I go and carry him go a court. I must sink him backside a court. Alright. Tell him some come up here. He will meet me a court. Come on.
Ethical lifestyle system. PETRA.
Give up and Christ to them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet to home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last year in my vein.